My name is Paul. This is my house, where I live with my wife Lucy and our children Hugo and Emma. MyFox Home Alarm watches over our house and our family. When we leave in the morning, we don't have to worry. The smart sensors proactively alert us in case of a break-in attempt. It recognizes who's allowed in and who's not. Even when we're not around, I can count on my friends and neighbors to look after our house. It's our trusted community.
Tell me that when we are alone.
You are all, yeah, you are all that I own.
It's simple and easy to use. And we no longer worry about accidentally setting off the alarm. It lets us know who's coming and going. It gives us peace of mind.
You're the only one, my dream.
We like knowing that everything is okay at home. It's reassuring, and sometimes even fun.
You are all that I own. You are all.
I watch over them, and MyFox watches over us.
What is EZVIZ? Let's start with the name. It's pronounced EZVIZ. EZVIZ is dedicated to providing easy, accessible, high-quality video that allows friends and family to stay connected. Our video products are easy to use, secure, and connected, so you can share moments with whomever you wish, anytime. Now with EZVIZ, you won't miss the baby's first steps, even if you're out getting groceries. And you can check in with your puppy while you're on vacation. We can't always be near what we cherish the most. With EZVIZ, you can drop in anytime, anywhere. EZVIZ. Be there.
Alexa, trigger lights on.